Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at a case that I received just recently from Typecase. This is the Typecase Edge Pro RGB case. Now, what's unique about this case, check this out. This guy is ultra thin, guys. Look at that. It has an aluminum body, different than a lot of the cases that we've looked at in the past that have those plasticky bodies. So that's going to be number one in my book for reliability, durability, things like that. Now, I'm not saying you can take this on a construction site and throw it off the side of a building, but it is going to give you a longer runtime with this case opposed to a lot of the previous cases we've looked at that have a plastic housing and things like that. Now, as far as the keys go, the keys are also really nice on here. You have a 1.4 millimeter travel on these keys. They are very, very typey. The touchpad itself is much larger than some of their previous models, and it is very responsive. So we're going to put my iPad on here so I can show you guys exactly what this looks like. You guys can see how easy it is to attach the iPad to make adjustments. Perfect for taking this on location, ideal for, studio work, connecting this to an external monitor. Now, this does charge here. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that, but there's actually a USB port right here for charging the keyboard. And this battery life on this is ridiculous how long it lasts. Now, you can find this case for a variety of different iPads. This will accommodate, version-wise, the the iPad Air 10.9, 11-inch, and also 13-inch. On your Pro models, you can get a variant for the 11-inch, the 12.9, and the 13-inch. So that's going to be your M1s all the way to your M5 iPads this will accommodate. Now, one of the things that really stands out to me is this beautiful keyboard. I want you guys to take a look at this. Now, what's nice about this, you have this cool RGB effect, and you can go through and you can switch the different colors, single button press. As you guys see here, we'll just go through some of the colors really quick, just to give you an idea of what you can do. So it really just depends on your layout, your scene, your desk setup. You could, set up something that's going to be ideal, for your environment. I found a few so far that I like a lot, and I play with these more than I would like to admit. I do play with these lights a lot. So what's cool about the lighting system is that, for one, you have 10 modes, and you have 12 presets built into this case. So if I had to answer the question, why do I like this case? I like this case because it's built with precision, guys. If you look here, you guys can see how well this fits on the iPad. As we look all the way around the case, beautiful design. Ideal for your Apple Pencil, gives you access to being able to easily connect your Apple Pencil on here. Overall, this is not a fingerprint magnet. It's very easy to keep it clean. I do like that. That's one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to things like this. You're going to run into issues where you're constantly wiping it down because it's always, picking up a bunch of fingerprints. Now, this is going to connect via Bluetooth, which is very easy. You're just going to go into your settings, swipe down to your Bluetooth settings here, and it's very simple, guys. All you have to do is go in and search for the case. It's going to show up right here, and you can see mine is already connected. If this is your first time, it'll be really, really easy for you to set this up with no effort whatsoever. Now, as far as the trackpad functionality, as you guys can see, I can easily switch between open windows, no problem. It has a really reassuring click to the trackpad. So it really just depends on, how you want to use this. If you're using this in an everyday scenario where you're doing some coding, emails, content creation, content absorption, whatever the case it is, you're going to love this, guys. And you have all of your gesture controls like you would normally have with a MacBook. For my Mac users out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You can scroll back and forth. You have all of those features. And right here on the front, it does have some presets here for key commands, and then the manual itself comes with a bunch of others that you might want to memorize a few of those. I think I talked about that in a previous video on another one of their cases. Okay, so in a nutshell, guys, I think this is an amazing piece of kit for myself as a photographer, filmmaker, drone pilot. You know, having something like this that I can take out with me on location, set up really quickly, connect this to an external monitor or to a controller, or to be able to edit quickly or review files on location, have an actual keyboard. And I'll show you guys the keyboard here. Let's go into our notes just to give you guys an idea how well this types. So let's create a new note. So this is something that I already had open that I was working on earlier. This is some ideas for another video for best drone shots. But just generalized typing. I'm just typing gibberish here, but I want you guys to see how well this works. No problems. If I want to go back and delete all of that, I don't have an issue with that as well. You know, your copy and paste, you know, features are going to be just as, you know, easily accessible here. So all of the same functions you would normally have if you were using this similar to a Mac, you're going to be very familiar with this. Very well built, guys. I am a huge fan of this. And you don't have to worry about this guy falling over like some of the cheaper cases. If you start tapping on the screen, you notice that the iPad's weight could possibly tip over the case. That's not the case with this, and I'll show you guys here from the side here. So you guys can see we can press on this. Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit of rocking because of the way it's set up, but you guys get the idea. This is just going to be a very efficient case. And then as far as your Apple Pencil, if you're like myself and you use that often, everything is going to be the same. You don't have anything to worry about whether you're going through here and you're choosing different applications, whatever the case is going to be, you're going to be really, really happy with this case. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just wanted to show you guys this new case that I think now that I've had a chance to review this and play with this a little bit, do a couple of edits with the iPad in this case, this is going to be my daily driver. So if you guys are also looking for a reliable, well-built case, take a look at this. Like I said before, it will accommodate quite a few different models. Make sure you do the research, guys, and make sure you choose the specific model for your iPad. I cannot emphasize that enough. So there's a big difference between the M4 and M5 versus the others. So like I said, there's a different variation for each tablet. So depending on which one you have, make sure in the description you're choosing the right tablet variation for your specific iPad. But other than that, you should be extremely happy with this device. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.